Now let's solve this question. Again the question is same. We are supposed to solve the system of linear equations. Three equations are given and along with that three variables are given, x, y and z. Okay. So as usual we are supposed to find out the quotient matrix, which is only one thing that you should be careful is see the order in which x, y and z appear in the first equation, maintain the same order in the second equation and all the other equations. If you have y in the beginning, then maintain the same order in all of them, and once you solve them, here depending on the order in which x, y, z appear, our variable matrix will depend on this x, y, z. So finally answer will, when you solve the answer, the first one is equal to x, second one is equal to y, third one is equal to z, because here in the order first one is x, second one is y and third one is z, right? Just keep that in mind. Don't reverse the order, or be consistent in all the equations. That is what I mean to say. If you are having x, y, z here, maintain x, y, z here as well, right? And after that you know how to find out the quotient matrix. Yes, so once you find out the quotient matrix from this, then you find out the inverse. A inverse is required. Before that you should know whether the inverse exists or not. For that you are supposed to find out the determinant of A. So I found out that the determinant of A is 419, which is not equal to 0, which means A is not singular, and so A inverse exists. So since it is not equal to 0, A inverse exists. So I found out A inverse. How? 1 by det A into adjoint A. So once you find out the adjoint A, you will get this. Then you multiply A inverse with B and simplify it. So once you multiply A inverse with B, I got 3, 4, 6 here, right? And x, y, z now is equal to 3, 4, 6. Therefore x equal to 3, y equal to 4 and z equal to 6. Got it? So that is how I solve this. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.